Good morning, welcome to the online demonstration of Power System Laboratory. Today we will see how to measure breakdown voltage of solid insulators. For this purpose, we have a high voltage test set. This high voltage test set is getting input from the line voltage. Inside this high voltage test set, we have basically a high voltage transformer. The secondary side of that high voltage auto transformer is brought outside through these two electrodes. And what we have to do, we have to place some insulator in between these two probes, and we have to apply the voltage through this variac. We know that the solid insulators, here we are actually considering the paper insulator. These are used frequently inside the slots of motor generators, in between the layers of primary and secondary winding of transformer, and inside the underground cable. The commercial paper insulators has got breakdown voltage typically more than 10 kV. But in case of a experimental setup, the maximum voltage is 5 kV. Hence, we are performing this test with common papers, but the same procedure can be followed for the insulating paper also. So, what the procedure is, you have to place the paper in between these two probes. You have to place these copper made heads face to face, have to apply voltage with the help of this variac. At a particular amount of voltage, this insulating paper or common paper will lose its insulating property. That moment is the breakdown, and that breakdown voltage is measured with the help of this integrating voltmeter. And at that moment, to measure the voltage, you have to press the memory switch, and this voltmeter will show you the reading again. If you can measure the thickness of the insulating paper with the help of, say, vernier caliper, then you can divide this breakdown voltage with the thickness, and you will get the dielectric strength.
First of all, we have to switch on the power, and you can see here is a toggle switch, and it is indicated as main. So this toggle switch will on the kit. And you can see two push switches here. One is the HT on, high tension, and another is the HT off. And you can see, as Sir has explained you, this is the variac by virtue of which we are going to increase the voltage, the output voltage. Now, this is the paper insulator which is to be punctured with the help of these two probes. Now we are switching on the HT. So we have switched on the HT, and now we are placing these two probes pin to pin. Now the circuit has tripped. The circuit has tripped, and you can see the voltage here at which the paper has punctured with the help of this push switch. So it is nearly 0.5. It is nearly 0.5 kV. And we are resetting the set with the help of this toggle switch. Now it is reset. Now we are taking some more measures by doubling the paper in order to increase the thickness of the paper. Now the HT is on, and again we are so it has punctured. Now again we can see the memory here. From the memory we can see the voltage at which the paper insulator has punctured. It is right 1 kV. It is right 1 kV. Now for third set we are taking some more paper insulators. Again we have to go back and we have to decrease the voltage and we have to reset the kit. So the kit is reset here and the HT is on. Now we are increasing the voltage. It is punctured. So we can find the voltage here at which the paper has punctured. It is 1.6. It is 1.6 kV. Now for the fourth set, we have taken this paper and what we have done here, we have taken some transformer oil in order to soak the paper, and the paper is soaked here. And now we will see at what voltage the paper is punctured. The paper is punctured here. So I will request you can see the voltage here, it is at 2 kV. It is at 2 kV. Again, I am requesting sir to zoom at these two probes in order to show you that there is a slight, what do you call it? There is a slight flux, or what it is called? A lightning. You can see a slight lightning here. Which will say that the paper is punctured. Okay, and it is again, we can take the reading, and it is showing nearly 1.7 kV. From the memory, we are receiving the voltage at which the paper is punctured. So this is all about the experiment. It is a very easy experiment.